Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Ivory Baby Soap is probably one of the most iconic and trusted names in baby care, and for good reason, as this gentle cleanser has been a staple in nurseries for generations, promising a pure and mild experience for your little one's delicate skin, making bath time a soothing and tear-free ritual that parents have relied on for decades to keep their babies clean and comfortable. Number 5. Dreft Baby Laundry Detergent, 42 fluid ounces, pack of 2. Introducing Dreft Baby Laundry Detergent, specially formulated to be gentle on your little one's sensitive skin. It effectively cleans while ensuring comfort and care. For years, parents have trusted Dreft to provide a safe and effective clean for their baby's clothes. It's the gentle choice you can rely on. This powerful liquid laundry soap tackles tough stains and odors, yet remains incredibly gentle. It ensures that every wash leaves clothes soft and comfortable for your baby. Each bottle contains 42 fluid ounces, providing enough detergent for 32 loads of laundry. This pack of 2 offers excellent value for keeping your baby's clothes fresh and clean. Our formula is dermatologist tested and hypoallergenic, making it ideal for babies with delicate or sensitive skin. You can have peace of mind knowing it's safe for them. Simplify your laundry routine with Dreft Baby Detergent. It delivers a superior clean that's safe and gentle, so you can focus on what matters most, your baby. What we like. This is a fantastic choice for keeping your baby's clothes clean and soft. Its gentle formula is designed to be kind to sensitive skin, minimizing the risk of irritation. If you're looking for a detergent that effectively cleans while protecting your baby's delicate skin, this is the one to consider. What people say. The soap is gentle on the baby's skin. It lathers well and rinses off easily. The scent is mild and pleasant, not overpowering. Number 4. Ivory Sensitive Body Wash 35 ounces. Introducing Ivory Sensitive Body Wash, a fragrance-free formula designed with your whole family in mind. Its gentle nature makes it perfect for everyday use. We've kept it simple. This body wash is free from dyes, heavy perfumes, parabens, phthalates, and silicones. You can trust what you're putting on your skin. It's thoughtfully designed to work with your skin's natural pH balance. Experience a clean that feels comfortable and natural. With a large 35-ounce size, you'll have plenty of this gentle cleanser for everyone. Enjoy a refreshing clean that lasts. Enjoy the benefits of a clean body wash without any added fragrances. It's the pure, sensitive choice for your daily routine. What we like. Experience a truly gentle cleanse with this body wash. It's formulated without dyes, heavy perfumes, parabens, phthalates, or silicones, making it ideal for the entire family. If you have sensitive skin or are looking for a pure and simple cleansing experience, this is a great option. What people say. This soap is very gentle on my baby's skin, leaving it soft and moisturized. The scent is mild and pleasant, not overpowering at all. It lathers well and rinses off easily, making bath time a breeze. Number 3. PGC 12364 PK Ivory Bar Soap. Experience the timeless purity of this iconic bar soap. Its gentle formula cleanses and refreshes, leaving your skin feeling soft and smooth. Crafted with care, it's designed to be kind to your skin. Enjoy a daily cleansing ritual that nurtures and revitalizes. Awaken your senses with its delicate and refreshing fragrance. It provides a clean and invigorating scent that lingers pleasantly. For generations, this soap has been a trusted choice for families. You can rely on its consistent quality for your everyday hygiene needs. Embrace the simple elegance of a classic. It offers a pure and uncomplicated way to maintain your personal freshness. What we like. Discover the timeless purity of this iconic bar soap. It offers a gentle yet effective cleanse that leaves skin feeling soft and moisturized. If you appreciate a classic, reliable soap that cleans without stripping natural oils, this is a perfect everyday choice for you and your family. What people say. This soap is great for sensitive skin. It leaves the skin feeling soft and moisturized. The scent is very mild and pleasant. Number 2. Baby Dove Sensitive Skin Care Rich Moisture Baby Wash. Make bath time a gentle and loving experience. Our tear-free formula is designed for your baby's delicate skin. This baby wash provides rich moisture to keep their skin soft and smooth. It's hypoallergenic and perfect for sensitive skin. No more tears during bath time. Our special formula ensures a comfortable and happy wash for your little one. We understand how important safety is. That's why it's hypoallergenic, caring for your baby's skin with every wash. Give your baby the best care with our nourishing baby wash. It cleanses gently while leaving their skin feeling healthy. Join countless parents who trust this gentle wash for their baby's daily routine. It's the perfect addition to your baby's bath essentials. What we like. Make bath time a soothing experience with this moisturizing baby wash. Its tear-free and hypoallergenic formula ensures comfort for your little one. If you're seeking a gentle cleanser that provides extra hydration and is safe for delicate baby skin, this is an excellent selection. What people say. The soap is gentle on my baby's skin and leaves it feeling soft and moisturized. It lathers well and rinses off easily, leaving no residue. The subtle, pleasant scent is not overpowering and is perfect for sensitive baby skin. Number 1. Puracy Green Tea and Lime Dish Soap. Introducing our plant-based dish soap, designed to tackle tough grease while being kind to your hands. Experience a powerful clean that cares for your skin. Crafted with a remarkable 99.96% plant-derived ingredients, this formula offers a natural approach to dishwashing. It's a choice you can feel good about for your home. Our sulfate-free formula is exceptionally gentle, preventing dryness and irritation. You can wash dishes without compromising the health of your skin. Enjoy the invigorating aroma of green tea and lime as you clean. This natural scent leaves your kitchen smelling fresh and pleasant. Don't let the natural ingredients fool you. This dish soap provides a powerful clean. It effectively cuts through grease and grime, leaving your dishes spotless. Choosing this dish soap means opting for a more natural and sustainable way to care for your home. It's a simple switch that makes a difference. What we like. Tackle tough grease while being kind to your hands with this dish soap. Its plant-based and sulfate-free formula is gentle on skin. If you're looking for a powerful yet natural dish soap that won't dry out your hands and is safe for your kitchen, this is a superb choice. What people say. This soap is gentle on my baby's skin and leaves it feeling soft and moisturized. The scent is very mild and pleasant, not overpowering at all. It lathers well and rinses off easily, making bath time a breeze. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.